Hello guys, I'm Simon, and in this video I want to show you how to fix the true tone issue on the iPhone 10 or XS. So here we have the problem. I have an iPhone 10s that don't has the opportunity to activate true tone. Here you can see there is no option to activate true tone. So the problem is the technician who has repaired this iPhone before hasn't copied the files for true tone from the old original LCD to the new LCD. For explanation, this LCD is a generic LCD 2. So let's work. To copy or to restore the files, you need one device, the JC V1 here. You can see this is the device. I have bought it on eBay, so I will show you. Here you can see the JC V1 for 74 euro, and furthermore you need a JC Repair software which you can download on the JC website, so that you see the link for the page. Furthermore, you need a 3U tool that the True Tone repair program works. You can download it on Softnik. Here you see. Yes, so now let us start to repair the True Tone. In the first step, you have to connect the iPhone with the computer. So trust the PC and trust the PC on the iPhone. Perfect. Furthermore, you need to connect the new display with the JC V1 programmer. Here's the new display. I have bought it on eBay too. So we have to connect it here. Perfect. Then when the iPhone is connected, the LCD is connected to the programmer, you have to connect the programmer with the computer too. So now both devices are connected. We have to work further at the computer. In the first step, you have to open the JC Repair. It's only compatible with Windows, so it breaks my heart. I have to install Windows on my MacBook. Yes. Now you click on Chip Repair, down on Photosensitive Chip. Select the iPhone model. Here we have an iPhone JC Pro1000s. Yes, click on create and then click on fix true tone. So you have to wait short and then you are able to tap on the fix true tone button. So now you have to type here and in this step the data on the new LCD will be overwritten by the data on the iPhone. So there is a serial display number in the iPhone and that has to copy it on the new display. Also there is the Gauss SN, the MTSN and the LZM number, which are copied from the iPhone to the new LCD. So now it's working. Yes, and now it's ready. So you get the message, True Tone display is fixed. Yes, yet you have to click on exit and put the new LCD or OLED display at the iPhone. So let's do it. Here you have to take the front camera and sensor and earpiece from the old LCD to the new LCD, so you can watch it at iFixit. I don't have to show it. If you want that I do a video for it, please let me know and I will make a video. Now we are back. So I have restored the files for the True Tone and programmed it with the help of the JC V1 programmer on the new display. So let us check if the True Tone works. So here you can see True Tone works perfectly. Further words to this chip in the iPhone that I have programmed. It not only contains the data for the True Tone, it also contains the data for the automatic brightness function. So let us check if that works too. I've put the lamp and boom, it works too. Perfect. So this was my first video here on YouTube. In the future I have planned to make more videos about repair. So if you have an idea what I should repair or what can I do, let it me know. Also hacks like the True Tone, for example. I'm interested in a huge amount of things that I can show, I can present you. And yes, so write a comment, please subscribe and like the video. Peace out.